Hey, how's it going? All right, you having a good day? All right, I hope so. Let's talk about earning money online, okay? And how much can you possibly make? Is it legit? Is it realistic? Is there a lot of faking to make it? Or is this a cash grab where just people, for a couple months you just promote something and then you milk it for what it's worth and then you go to the next opportunity and the next and the next? Is this opportunity that I'm going to tell you about, does it have like an expiration date? Is it a fad? Is it seasonal? All right. Are you selling water skis in the winter and snow skis in the summer? Okay. I do not want to sell anything that has an expiration or becomes kind of lame or becomes dated, like a cassette tape. And then all of a sudden the CD comes out and the DVD, but now it's all MP3 and holy cow, streaming and whatnot. But I'm not a big fan of promoting something and putting a lot of my time and energy into something that only is effective, let's just say in the summertime. Or it's just going to run its course. After 6 months, it's just dated and you're like, okay, well, it was fun while it lasted. I do not do anything like that online, not at this point. Okay, I've learned a lot over the last couple of years. All right, it's March of 2023 right now, and the opportunity that I am showing you, I think, is the best all-around opportunity for you to learn how to just watch little setup videos, okay, and how to earn a maximum amount of money based on the same effort, because I'm a big fan, and I believe of this. I think it's just as easy to earn $9 as it is 90. Put a little zero on the end of that other one as it is 900. Okay, as long as what you are talking about is worth that 9 or 90 or that 900. Okay, so what I'm about to show you is something that you set up one time and you get really good at just inviting people to click something to watch something. Okay, all my income, and I have 7 right now online, is all centered around take the day and set it up. Maybe get a business card if I want. And then I get GoDaddy to forward a domain name, which I'm going to show you, to a video. And the video does everything else. There's nothing left for me to do. Each company that I represent and I get paid from have their own customer service. They have their own setup videos. I can remake those if I want and teach you how to do things my way. Okay, but at this point, everything that I have participated in and have set up, I think it's easy. You can comprehend it. So why, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. Okay. So if you don't mind, let's just spend about the next 5-6 minutes. And I just want to show you what I do, because this opportunity is designed to make you $900 or more a day. I know that sounds like a lot, but believe me, there's a ton of people that have $900 or more. And if they want to invest it into training and getting that noggin full of smarts on how to kick butt, not just with this opportunity, but if you own a pizza joint, if you have an affiliate program with some other business out there, there's millions, right? You could own a gym. Maybe you sell advice. Okay. But in this case, this thing is in turnkey mode. Okay. There's hundreds of thousands of dollars made per week. Millions of dollars made per month with this exact opportunity. Okay, so please just watch for the next 5 minutes and take this serious and re-watch these videos I'm going to invite you. And they're short. These are not like 1 or 2 hour seminars. All right, you got a couple minutes, good. You got 5 minutes, awesome. Okay, so let me take you on a ride, okay? Let's do it. What I have done is I have bought the 900 group. When you click the 900group.com, you're going to go to this page with this pretty girl and this little doggy, okay? But the first thing I want you to do is just remember, if you want to buy a domain name from GoDaddy, it's about $11. You want to buy these business cards? They're about $20 to your door on Vistaprint. It's up to you. I like to make my business cards super simple. The 900group.com. That's it. No cell phone, no email, no nothing. The 900group.com, it goes to this page. First, you say hi to this pretty lady and that adorable dog. Okay? This website is yours. If you participate in this exact opportunity, I want you to copy me 1,000%, not 100%. All right, put your hand up and go, yes, I will copy what Cory does 1,000%, because it ain't broke and it's generating money. Now, if you like the look of this page, great, and you can change it if you want. Okay, first thing everyone does is they put in their email address. Mine is Cory@CoryDraper.com. Okay, get my blueprint. All right, well, let's click. Let's see where the next page goes. Okay, here's Michelle. Let me put her video on pause here. All right, hello there, Michelle. Okay, now look at this page. Thanks. Read this. Go down here. Check it out a little bit. Michelle is going to tell you about this opportunity. It's a couple minutes. And if you like what you hear from Michelle, you're going to click this button right below. Okay, now check it out. It goes to another video of Michelle talking. Let me put it on pause. You can recognize there's the pretty lady with that cool dog, right? Okay, look at this page too. And like I said, if you want, you can change colors and wording. But if it ain't broke, don't fix it. Please don't mess with this website. Okay, because you're going to have this exact website, but you have the power to edit it if you want. Now, people will listen to this video of Michelle too. And if they like what they hear, they will go to the next page by clicking this blue button. Okay. Now remember, this exact website is your website too. This is what I do every day to earn $900 or more. The other day I made over $3,000. I had 2 or 3 purchases and it went well over $3,000 in one 24-hour period. This is money that goes in my pocket. Now I have to pay tax on it, which sucks, but to make $3,000 in one day just by doing exactly what I'm showing you. Okay. Now, this is the third page. Please just go through it, check it out, and remember, this website is 100% yours too. You can change it. I put a big old picture of my giant forehead here. I put a little bio right in here, you know, nothing fancy. I put a little picture of money. And then you scroll and you're like, well, what's the deal? How do people make $900 by doing this opportunity? This is about education. There are 4 courses. And I'm going to, let's see, there we go. We're almost there. Boom, boom. There we go. Okay. The 4 courses, the $100 course is called the Launchpad. All right. The $300 one is the Passive Daily Pay Blueprint. Okay. Third one, Digital Mastery and the Big Enchilada. This is the official name that you're going to see me promote a lot. The Legacy Builders Program. Because when you buy this program, you have all 4. You have this program and these 3. Now, when you buy these programs, you own them outright and you own them. You have the resale rights. That's why you own this website. And all the courses, they are high-powered education. And these are not just courses that are recorded and they're going to get dated. They have fresh education too. Michelle, who you met previously, she's got 5 other people that own and operate this website. They do all the training. They do all the customer servicing. They do all the stuff that you do not want to do. Sit back and learn. So when you get these courses, not only are you going to get smart and learn how to promote anything online, you're going to also resell them. People buy these every day with or without you or I involved. If you have $100, buy this. And you know what? When people come to your website, in my case, the 900 group, if they buy this $100 course, guess what? The 100 goes directly to me. Because when they click these buttons here, this is my own credit card processing company. I use Square.com. There's Stripe.com, PayPal, iPay, Apple Pay. There's a lot of pay places. And you choose the setup videos. They show you how to pick one. I pick Square. I think they're the best because they do Visa, MasterCard, Discover. You can do PayPal if you'd like. And Square.com will divide these payments into 4 interest-free. Did you hear that? So let's say you don't have $100, but you have 25. You know what, guys? Finance this interest-free. Do $25 today. You owe $25 a month the next 3 months. But guess what? You own this whole course. And if someone buys this course from you today, you make $100. It goes directly to you. This company does not do anything as far as credit card processing. You set it up for free through, like, I hope you do Square. I think they're the best. Okay. So let's say you have $75 but not $300. Guys, finance this. Get the $300 course, because you know what? Not only do you have this course to learn from, you also own the Launchpad. So if people come in and buy these courses, you got the commission on the 300 and the 100. Wonder if one person just buys a 300 and then another one buys the 100. Guys, you just made $400 today, minus a couple bucks from Square, because they get a couple bucks for processing the credit card. But if you do the $75 plan and finance it interest-free the next 3 months, why don't you just take your profit and just pay it off? Now you own the 300 and the 100. Because if you buy the $300 course, you don't have to have 400 to buy both. If you buy the $300 course, the $100 course is included. So let's go to the $600 course, Digital Mastery. Guys, if you have $150, why not get the $600 course right now and just do 3 more payments of $150 in the next 3 months? Because not only do you own digital, you own the passive daily and the Launchpad. You own all 3 of these courses for the price of only $600, not $1,000. You're not paying 6, 3, and 1. Okay? Now, you got a couple $100. Why not buy the $900 course? This is the best course online how to make money. And if you buy the Legacy Builders program, you also own, yes, the 6, the 9, the 100, the 300, the 600, and the $900 course. So you don't have to have $1,900 to buy all 4. For the $900, you got all 4 of these for sale on your website. So guys, what did I do? I bought the $900 course. Guess what happened? The first video I made like this, I had a lady 45 minutes later buy the $900 course. I got my money back. These are one-time fees. When you pay the $900, guys, you own this outright for life. This does not have recurring and you have to upgrade and do all this other stuff. You own the website and you own these courses. You also own these 3 other courses. But like I said, if you have a couple $100, just finance it. Hit the blue button instead of the green button. Okay? Hit the blue button. Pay the couple $100 and then do the 3 additional payments. Okay? Just do the 3 additional payments. That way you own all 4 courses. And guess what? If someone buys one of these $600 courses, you got $600. Why not take that profit and pay down this? Pay down a couple more bucks. Let's say you own a couple, you owe a couple $100. Then over the next week or 2, wonder if you sell one of these, one of those, and one of these. There's another $1,000. There's $1,000 that goes directly to you. Now, what I like about this opportunity is not only are you earning an insane amount of money, but you have the best training. And Michelle, who you saw earlier, she does live videos all the time on training, her and her 5 other partners. So they have Zoom meetings, and they're recorded. You don't have to watch them live. But isn't it nice to know that just about every Monday through Friday, there's fresh, brand new training and recruiting. There's videos made where you can just go, hey guys, go to the900group.com and check this out. You're done. You set this video up. You set up this website, make business cards. Okay? If you want this company to set up everything for you, pay $75. But I recommend set up everything. Go through the how-to videos, how to set up, and make the website. And if you want to change a color, great. Sometimes you might even want to change the wording because it drives you nuts. And I'm guilty of that. I have a certain way I like to have my videos and my emails and posts. But I'm telling you straight up, just leave this website alone. Okay? And when you start making a $900 income, even if it's $900 for the week, okay? Man, everyone is buying these courses like crazy. This website has been generating millions of dollars. Michelle herself, you know Michelle? She's already made a couple $100 million just herself, not the company. That's crazy. All based on buying education that you own outright and you get 100% commissions. A couple bucks goes to the processing company, either Square, Stripe, PayPal. Keep these courses and burp and don't edit it out because I'm too lazy to edit. Okay. Oh, this is the best. I could do videos about this opportunity all day. It is my biggest money maker. It is flawless. It is easy. It's effortless. All you do is set up the website, take a half day and set it up, or pay the company $75. Go to square.com. In an hour or 2, they'll email you back and say your account's ready to go. It's free. and then get some business cards for like 20 bucks at Vistaprint. Go to GoDaddy and get a cool domain name. I bought the 900 group because I want you to be in my group. I want you to join this opportunity and let's make 900 bucks. High five. Let's do it every day. Do you think you can sell 2 or 3 of these courses per day? I know you can, because I am, and so is a lot of my friends. 46,000 people now are participating in this thing. Okay, you can log in to our live, it's just a website. There's like 200 to 300 people always there, 24 hours a day. If you have a question, ask another member. Hey, what are you doing this to market? Or hey, what do you think about these courses? Do you have any advice? And if you need any help, there's customer support. Okay, you don't have to pay 75 bucks to have them set up the website, but if you're kind of lazy and you just want to get it done, they can build this probably literally in 10 minutes for you, where it's going to take you probably 4 or 5 hours. Okay, but either or, whatever your budget is, I don't make any more or any less. I just recommend, hey, if you just want to get things done properly, just have the damn company build the website and do everything for you. One-time fee, 75 bucks, you're done. Square.com, I highly recommend it. They know Legacy Builders Program, and they have been top-notch with me. There's not a day that goes by that I can't transfer 900 bucks into my personal account, and it is just there ready to go. It's exciting when Square notifies you that you made a $900 sale, because that means the money's already available. It doesn't say, hey, it's pending. Oh, in a day or two, you can get your money. Oh, next month when we pay. No, with Square, they're like, you made 900 bucks. We're going to take a couple bucks. Go in, log into Square, go to the balance tab, type in the money you want to transfer to your bank, and then hit boom, hit transfer. You know what? It's kick-ass. If you want to pay like 1%, they'll do it instant. If you want to wait till the next day, which I always do, I'm not in a rush for money, but it is exciting to know that if I need tires for my car, my bike, my truck, maybe I need my tooth fixed, maybe I need some new glasses or buy a Friday the 13th hat. It's exciting to know that if I have sales coming in, I can just go ahead and transfer the money to my bank and just go buy me a darn hat. This damn thing cost me like 70 bucks for this, but it's my favorite. I bought a Friday the 13th custom ring. I bought a Friday the 13th hot J-scene. Look at that sexy babe dressed like Jason. Yes, I'm creepy. I know it, but at least I embrace it. Embrace your creepiness. So I get excited when I do videos about the Legacy Builders Program. Okay? It's not going anywhere. It's just going through the roof, that's all. It's kicking ass right now. Michelle does a great job. Her other 5 employees are just awesome. And I've had a great experience. There's not one thing I can complain about this company. The only thing that I think you might get stuck on is just the setup. And it's so easy if you just watch the step-by-step short little videos. But pay the 75 bucks, guys, and just make them do the work. Get the square.com set up, get some business cards, and just worry about having fun. Because right now, all I do is say, guys, please go to the 900group.com. Okay, can I show you just one more time? This is all I do. Do you see that? Every day I make a video or a post, or I just send an email. Guys, can you go to the 900group.com? Let me know what you think. And then people just go and they listen to this video here. They put their name in, and then Michelle takes over. Michelle does everything. Her and her 5 other employees do all the heavy lifting, all the work, and you get 100% commissions. Touchdown. How do you like my new Cobra Kai shirt? Wax on, wax off, Danielson. Karate Kid forever. Okay, guys, I'm done. Thanks for the last 20 minutes. All right, I have a good time doing these little videos, and I appreciate you. Go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. My email address is just Cory at CoryDraper.com. And I'm on Facebook. I'm not hard to find. All right, look at this adorable mug with the Santa beard. Okay, well, I look more like Kenny Rogers with the silver beard, don't I? So, okay, guys, I'm out of here. And you have a good day. All right, and peace and love, man. Thanks again for your time. Talk to you later, guys. The900group.com. Thanks.